Hello everyone and welcome to your Rayplicker tutorials. Today we are going to see how to import a shade. Let's go! There are two ways to import a shade on your Rayplicker Vision software. You can either import it from the Rayplicker Handy device or from your File Explorer. In the first case, click on the patient's name and then go on the Add Shade icon on the top right of your screen. At the same time, place your Rayplicker Handy on its base, making sure that it is turned on its home screen. The Rayplicker Vision software will automatically detect your Rayplicker device. You can then filter by the username on the device and choose the shades you want to add to your patient record. Once you have made your selection, press the Import button. You will see a blue loading bar, which will turn green when the shade is applied. It will automatically open in the viewer on the left side of your screen. It will also appear in the list of items on the right side of your screen. The second way to import a shade is the following. Click on the Import button, which will open a File Explorer, and then select the RPK file corresponding to your patient. To simplify your reading, your shades will be marked with the Rayplicker R logo. As soon as you have entered the number of the analyzed tools, you will see that it turned blue on the arch on the left side of the window. This numbered icon will also allow you to select the elements associated with the same tools. Well, that's it for today. Thanks for listening and see you soon for new tutorials.